So I showed how I decorated a mini album using the Simple Stories Simple Vintage Fresh Snow collection, and I had so much fun doing it that I made another. So let me take you through this mini album. It is 8 inches by 6 inches. The pages are 5.5 by 7. So you'll see there's a bunch of layering on the front. I kept this one a little more simple than the other one. I did have a little bit of string here on the side just to add some texture to it. And I do have photo mats on most of the pages, but not all. And they range in size from 4 to 6, or 4.25 to 6.25, or maybe 4 by 5. It just depends. So this one, we just have some layering, a couple of enamel dots, and it says Warm Winter Wishes. This one is a journaling card. It says Burr on it, and that just tucks in simply there. I loved the deer. They were beautiful, so I left a lot of this blank. Now you could add a photo on top of here. You still have this guy looking at you. There's a little pocket here with a tag that you can journal on, and then this is sort of like a library card, but it gives you room to journal on or add a photo to. And you can add a photo to this pocket as well. So this will open this way. Now you'll notice that the pages all sort of coordinate. You know, we've got the deer here looking over to here. We've got the snow. The colors just all are fabulous. So I left you some room to journal, but if you don't want to journal, this is open. You can add a photo there. And then, of course, anytime you see these over a photo mat, they are open so you can add your photo. I left you room here to add your photo. Now you will cover some of the snowflakes, but that's okay. It was pretty. So here is a smaller page, and it's got a tuck spot in it. And in the tuck spot, I added just a photo mat there. This is a 4x4 cut apart that you could put a photo in. This is a 3x4 cut apart. Another 3x4 cut apart, and a couple of the tags that give you room to put little photos or journal on. Here's some layering. It just says winter and room for your photo here, and then Wonderland over on this side. Loved the wood grain paper with the pine cones. The pine cones were fabulous. And then room to add your photo, just a bunch more layering. And then we've got a little side loading, well, a corner pocket here with some ephemera on top and a couple of the cut aparts and tags to journal on, or add a small photo into that little pocket. Same as this one, room to journal. You could put a photo on here or just stick it in the pocket and journal on there. So I left that blank so you can, you know, just put the date or what's happening. And there's a nice size photo mat. There's a pocket here. In the pocket, I've got just a little trifold folder. This is open, so you can add a couple of little photos in there. And then on this side are just, it's just where the cut aparts are. I just folded that, and it's beautiful. So those will go in that pocket. And then over here, oh, that is how that's supposed to be. Cold hands, warm heart. And this, of course, is open, so you can put your photo in there. This is a pocket with lots in it. So we've got just a couple more cut aparts. Again, you can add a photo to the back of it or the front if you want. This says favorites, memories, and family, so it's a good spot to journal. I loved the little birdhouse and another tag. Let's just tuck that in there. Let it snow. I don't know if you all feel like that, but I do. I love snow. So this is just in this top loading little mat. Room to journal on or add a photo. I made it to add a photo too, but you could journal on it if you wanted to. So these were fun. I decided to take advantage of the 2x2 cut aparts and they all have little magnets in it. But add some little photos to it. Wouldn't that be fun? Or journal on it. Or put photos on some of them and journal on some of them. I don't know. Loved the paper in the background of that. And there is the back. That is gorgeous paper too. It's a navy. I don't know if that looks black to you in the camera, but it really is a navy. And of course, this, I made the book using these binder rings. I don't know what you'd call them, binders. And I do have just a couple available in my Etsy shop if this is something that you wanted to do yourself. I include some pages. This is 4 inches, 4.5, 5.5 by 7. Several of those 5.5 by 7. Now you could add more. This is 100-pound cardstock, so you could add more pages. And then this I left folded, so if you wanted to, you could make it a tuck spot. You could add more to it. You could put another piece of paper on and make it a pocket. You could cut it off if you want. You could fold it to the back. So lots of things you can do with it. But I just thought I'd make these for people who don't want to go to the expense or trouble to get the binder rings. So I've got those. So I hope you like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell for notification. And thank you so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.